good day everyone. Today we will discuss the chapter 2 in thermodynamics. So we have a problem here. What is the pressure of 2 moles of gas at 35 degrees Celsius with a volume of 1 liter? So we have given volume is equals to 1 liter, number of moles is equals to 2, then gas constant R is equals to 0.0821 liter per atmosphere over K mole, then the temperature of 35 degrees Celsius converted into Kelvin, which is 308. Then the unknown is the pressure. So solution, we have a formula here, which is PV equals nRT. So we're gonna use is P equals nRT over volume. So 2 mole times 0.0821 times 308 over 1 liter, we come up into the answer of 50.57 atmosphere. Thank you for watching.